Hello, my name is Maria Schmitz. Welcome back to my channel and to the topic of the grammar of prompt engineering today. The field of prompt engineering has rapidly gained traction in recent years as the proliferation of large language models has given rise to a growing need for effective and efficient techniques to elicit desired outputs from these powerful AI systems. At its core, prompt engineering involves the careful design and optimization of prompts, concise textual inputs that guide the model's learning and generation processes. A well-crafted prompt can provide clear context and instructions, enabling language models to perform a wide range of tasks with remarkable accuracy and coherence. Moreover, the optimization of prompt parameters plays a crucial role in enhancing model performance, as it can significantly influence the effectiveness of the output generated by the model across various applications. In particular, the application of tailored prompts not only improves task-specific performance in any size company, but also advances the overall utility of large language models in diverse fields, underscoring the transformative potential of prompt engineering in natural language processing and its capacity to streamline interactions with sophisticated AI systems. The fundamental principles of prompt engineering are rooted in the strategic manipulation of language to shape and guide model behavior. By utilizing various techniques such as chain of thought and reflection, prompt engineers can craft inputs that not only clarify task requirements but also leverage the inherent capabilities of pre-trained models to achieve desired outcomes more effectively, thereby maximizing their potential in real-world applications. The emerging field of prompt engineering has drawn significant attention from researchers and industry practitioners alike, with numerous studies and surveys exploring the diverse array of prompt techniques and their applications across various domains, from healthcare to common sense reasoning. As this burgeoning field continues to evolve, the insights and methodologies developed by prompt engineers will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in unlocking the full potential of large language models and driving innovation in the realm of natural language processing. In this context, understanding the nuances of prompt design becomes critical, as the effectiveness of language models hinges on how well prompts can elicit the desired behavior, thus underscoring the importance of systematic approaches to prompt engineering that can streamline the integration of these powerful AI systems into real-world applications. In addition, a structured overview of recent advancements in prompt engineering can aid in organizing the myriad of techniques that have emerged, ensuring that practitioners can easily identify and implement the most effective strategies for the specific tasks and applications, whether that be learning and development in an HR department or whatever, ultimately contributing to the broader goal of harnessing the transformative potential of large language models. Furthermore, as prompt engineering continues to mature, it is essential to develop standardized frameworks and methodologies that can guide practitioners in crafting effective prompts, thereby enhancing consistency and replicability in results across different applications and user scenarios. Thus, promoting collaboration among researchers and professionals in the field will foster the sharing of insights and best practices, leading to more refined and impactful approaches to prompt design and engineering, which are crucial for the advancement of AI applications in various sectors such as education. So I know you're waiting for these. Here are some examples of strategies to avoid overcomplicating prompts along with the areas of business they pertain to. Simplify and clarify. Example, please list the top 5 potential benefits of our new loyalty program for customers. Provide the answer in bullet points, each followed by a brief explanation. Area, customer relationship management. This prompt simplifies the task by clearly specifying the format, bullet points, and the number of items required, making it easier for the AI to generate a concise and structured response. Provide specificity and context. Example, craft a response to a customer inquiry about delayed shipping, maintaining a tone of empathy and understanding while providing reassurance. Area, customer service. By specifying the tone and context, this prompt ensures that the AI response is tailored to address customer concerns effectively and empathetically. Test and iterate. Example, given our recent discussions on expanding into eco-friendly packaging, how can we integrate this initiative into our marketing strategy while emphasizing our continued commitment to sustainability? Area, marketing strategy. This prompt uses context from previous discussions to guide the AI in generating a relevant and focused marketing strategy, allowing the iterative refinement based on AI outputs. Example 4, structure and consistency. Example, task. Outline a step-by-step strategy for utilizing social media to increase engagement with our existing customer base and to attract new customers. Area, social media management. By requesting a step-by-step guide, this prompt encourages a structured response, making it easier to follow and implement the suggested strategy. These examples demonstrate how simplifying language, providing context, and structuring prompts can lead to more effective and manageable AI interactions across various business areas.